OEMs get to choose the ways in which you can capture and save a screenshot on Android. While most of them at least include the basic hardware button combination for saving screenshots, many will include additional methods that can trigger the action to get you the image you're wanting. So in this video, I want to show you 5 different ways this can be done on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. So as mentioned, most Android OEMs include the button combination. So if you're looking for a quick way to capture a screenshot here, then simply pressing the power and the volume down buttons at the same time will do that for you. Now, as you can see, this does not need to turn into a gesture where you press and hold these 2 buttons. Instead, just a quick press, you can see, will save that screenshot on the Pixel 6 series. Now, if you are busy and your hands are not available for the button combination, then you should know that you can do this in a hands-free way as well. Google Assistant is great at performing basic tasks like this, and you can simply tell the assistant to take a screenshot, and you can see that anytime that happens, Google will capture that screenshot and save that for you. Now, another method you can use is available whenever you're viewing the recents page or the multitasking screen. And you've likely seen this screenshot button before, but most people are not trying to capture this image when they're switching apps. However, if you bring up the recents page, you can see there is going to be a screenshot button down here at the bottom that you can simply tap and save an image of that screen. If you're the type who prefers gestures, then you should know that the quick tap gesture for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro also offers the ability to capture a screenshot. However, this has to be set up ahead of time. We can do this by opening up the Settings application, scrolling down and then tapping the System option so that we can then dive into the Gestures area. From here, up at the top, you should see a Quick Tap option. And once enabled, we can choose the Take Screenshot option. And once enabled, it just takes a couple of quick taps on the back of your phone in order to capture and save that screenshot. Now, the last method I want to mention here, I've actually highlighted in a previous video. This can be done via an ADB command, but it can sometimes save screenshots when the other methods that I showed you simply do not work. I'll be linking to this video in the video description below so that you can watch through that if you are curious about how to do that, since there's no need to cover that method twice. So that wraps up today's video showing you 5 different ways that you can capture and save a screenshot on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Go ahead and use the comment section below to tell me which method is your favorite to save a screenshot.